How to install 7-Zip on your computer. Step-by-step guide. Search 7-Zip download in your web browser. Click on the top link. Click on Download next to 64-bit Windows by 64. Wait for it to download. Click on the Open button to start the installation. Click on Install. Click Close. Let us now test if 7-Zip is installed and working. Right-click on the zipped file or folder and go down to 7-Zip. Click Extract to Photo Album. Your file or folder has been extracted. You have successfully installed 7-Zip. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.